The sun is shining bright. The beach is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so right. The feeling of freedom in the air. The days are long.
And hello mga Karparp! This is Elmer.
This is Ruby.
Karparp po.
Karparp ko.
Karparp dating lahat.
Welcome to
To
our
our
Ras Al Khaimah Flamingo Beach Creek Escape.
Cafe.